Good evening, guys. Why there is less strength today? Whatever. This is continuing with the class. So today we will see about file systems in Java. Okay, file systems in Java. Okay, just a second. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay, guys. We will be seeing file systems in Java today. Okay. So Java supports working with files. Okay, Java supports working with different files. Okay. Okay. So for this, for working with files, Java has a separate class called file class. Okay. For working with files in Java, it has a file class, separate class called okay, separate class called files. Okay. So where we can find this file class is, there is a package for this one saying java.io.file. Okay, this is a package of Java's file class. Okay, so so file class is a, see, it is an abstract representation of files and directory path names. Okay, files and directory path names. Okay, so let's see. Um, wait. So to create a object of a file class, create an object of a file class, we need to pass our directory name or file path. Okay, to our object. The same, what we need to do, pass file path or directory name to our object. Okay, yeah, how it is done means, just say file new file is equals to new file of this. Here you need to pass a path. Okay, path slash name slash file dot txt, like this. Okay, like this you need to create the path. Okay, this is how we create the objects of our file name. Okay, file class. Okay, so there are files. So there are some fields in file names. Okay, just need which need to be remembered. Okay, the first field is path selector. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Okay, the first field is path selector. Okay, then what does it do? So this is used to separate individual paths path in a list. Okay, this is used to separate individual paths in a list of a file system. Uh, Sorry, guys, some unstable internet connection here. Okay, it happens. We'll see what should be done. Okay. So next field is path. The first field is path selector. This is used to separate individual files, individual paths in a list. Okay. Next one is separator. Okay. Next one is separator, which is used to separate files. Okay. Which is used to separate files. Okay. Remember these two things in a file system. Okay. So the main thing is the user interfaces or any operating systems. Okay, any of the operating systems, what they do actually, they work based on the files, right? So this class helps us to work with the files in Java. Okay, so for this will be using separate module called which is IO streams. Okay, which is IO streams. Okay, which is IO streams. IO streams in the sense input and output streams. Okay, input and output streams. Okay, then stream means what is a stream? Then if we say stream means what is a stream? So stream means it is a medium. Okay, a stream means it is a medium which behaves like a mediator between the program and the source. Okay, source or target. Okay, between the program and the source or target. Okay, stream like water stream. Okay, like that. Okay, so a stream represents an object to mediate data flow from a program to a target or flow from a source to the program. Okay. Or from a source to the target. Okay. So these streams are divided into categories. In Java, these streams are divided into these streams are divided into categories. So what are they? The first one is input streams. Okay. And the second one is output streams. Okay. The first one is input streams and the second one is output streams. Okay. Input streams are used to the input streams are used to read the data. Okay. The input streams are used to read the data and the output streams are used to write the data. Okay. The input streams are used to read the data and the output streams are used to write the data. Okay. So in Java after the version 1.1, okay, version 1.1, they have introduced us with character streams. Okay, character streams. So these are used to read and write the characters. Okay, okay. Let's see in Java what are all the useful methods in our input streams. Okay, so where we can find these input streams is you can find them in java.io dot input streams. Okay, this is a package for input streams. Okay, so this is a basic package for this is a basic package for um, making contract between making contract for reading from an input stream which includes bytes. Okay, from an input which includes bytes data. Okay, which includes bytes data. See, let's see some of the useful methods which we can use in our input streams. Okay, the first one will be int available. Okay, int available and takes it. Okay, this is the first method, and the second method is void close. Okay, void close. Next method is in read. Okay, int read, and next method will be int read of character of arrays. Okay, which arrays? Byte arrays. Okay, which arrays? Byte arrays. Okay, next one is void reset. Okay, next one is void reset. Okay, and here next one stays as long skip, which takes an int. Okay, these are all the useful methods in our input streams. Example, open with write or read a file. This will use done. And then if I say file is equals to new file, and I need to provide the path here. Okay, I need to provide some path, and the first thing I need to do is I need to import files from IO. Okay, and I can create the object of the files. If I want to just say go to some path as path, and the base is here SYSO. We wrote, let's see, file and just condition. This is the object done like this. Yeah, I have given a string here, so it prints the string. I say yeah, here. This should be a forward slash. Yeah. Now let's see, will it print or not? Say oh, and say does file. What does it print? It is a path. Okay. Hmm. Say here like file txt servition and permission. Same thing where the object of the file is created, and then when it is created, to check it, what should I do? Yeah, I can keep this in try catch. Fix it if a file is created or not. The same for this one, I will say try. So I say there is a method called create new file. Okay, say boolean v is equals to just say file dot create new file method. Okay, after calling this method, new file is created. Okay, so then what we'll check if the file is existing or not. If v becomes true, we'll say sys out the file created. Okay. Else we say sys out the file not created. Okay. And we write the catch block. Catch here exception e will print e dot print stack case. Okay, if I run this one, I'll get the file is created. And if I run this again, save this one. If I run this again, the file not created. Okay, okay. If I say this one here and remove this one and run this one, we got the file created. Okay, save this one and run this one. Here we got the file not created. Okay, this is how we can create files. Okay, this is how we can create files in our file systems. Okay, so you can see this. If I go here on the project, I try to refresh. Yes, sir. See here, my two files got created here. You see, my two files got created here. Okay, is it visible, guys? Is it visible for you? Yes, tell me, is it visible for you? So in this file, if I say something, uh, CMRIT, let's see how we can write those. Don't say. Okay. So how can I write? Let's see. Let's just create a class for writing files. The same write. Okay. And here I say main, and I have some data to write into my file, which is in the form of a string. String data is equals to I am from CMRIT college. Okay, CMRIT college. So to write it specifically, we always use try catch blocks, guys. So file systems are may throw errors every time. So we need to always write those in the try catch blocks only. Okay, catch exception e dot print status. And in this or what we'll write is where we need to write. The first one we need to do is we need to create an object for file writer. Okay, file writer op is equals to new file writer and just import the string. Okay, after importing, just we need to provide it where we want to write. Let's say new file dot txt. We need to write in new file dot txt. What we need to write with the object dot, we need to write string. Okay, which string? Data string. Okay, and then if it write, what we need to do, just check system dot out, the data is written. Okay, the data is written, and then while we are writing our file get opened, right? The file get opened, right? So we need to close that file. Just say op dot close function. Okay, op dot close function. If I run this one, see the data is written. Okay, the data is written, and if I open this files, new file, and see here, see what I got. What I got? Hi, I am from CMRIT college. Okay, this is how we can write files. Okay, this is how we can write files in our file systems. Okay, this is how we can write files in our file systems. So there is, and we can also read the files from our file systems. Okay, we can also read the files from our file systems. Just see how it be done. Just create a class called reader. This I'll say file reader f4 is equals to new file reader. Okay, so from where I need to read input dot, sorry, uh, new file dot txt, right? So here is where I am want to read from, right? So it should be surrounded with try catch block. Exception is p dot print stack trace. Okay, and then where we are reading it, right? So we need it to be stored somewhere else. So what we'll do is we'll take an character array. Okay, character array, and say new char. Okay, new character, and it should be provided with some dimensions, right? Some length, right? So we'll be giving it some length of 50, or let's say 50. Okay. So here, what I will do is just I took right input, and then what I will do is say a for dot will be getting those read things. Okay, we'll be getting those read, and read what we need to read. Read ARR. Okay, read inside ARR, and we need to print it. So ARR. Okay, we'll print it. Okay, and then we'll close our file. F4 dot close, like this. And now I run this one and see here I got my output. Okay, this is my output. This is how we read files. Okay, this is how we read files. Okay, okay, this is how we can read files. Okay, and we can also delete the files of file system. So how it should be done? See, let's take an object from file s equals to new file and say what we want to delete. We want to delete new file dot txt. Okay, control shift O, and if I say here million, we can simply say f dot delete. Okay, f dot delete. Okay, here see, and if I run this one, just ran it, and if I refresh my project, refresh, see my file got gone. My file gone. Okay, let's see for creating it again. New file. Can we create a file? File system. Yeah, that's 11. The file got created. Let's refresh our project. A file got displayed. Okay, this is how we write inside our files. Okay, okay, this can be done using two more methods, which are buffered reader and buffered writer. Okay, buffered reader and buffered writer. So in our file systems, we can buffer means just say what is buffer. If anyone have idea what is buffer? So in these files we can also append data. Okay, in these files we can also append data. Just let's just see how can we append the data in our file. I want to append a hi, I'm student from CMRIT and I want to append it with CSC. Okay, just for that I will just create. In file path, say file path, what is a file path? I'll say here need to take the file path, right? Let's go. It is a file use and, Eclipse workspace day 19, and this is our file path, right? Copy file path, copy as path, and I'll take this one and paste it here. Okay, I'll take it and paste it there. Okay, just let's remove this stuff. Move this one to this, 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 this. Okay. Okay, I took the path and I took the data, and I'll say there's a function called append using file writer. Okay, is it available? Create method. Okay. Or we can say like okay, instead of using this method, we can simply file writer is equals to new file writer. Just remove this path here. Thingy, remove this path here. New file writer and say file path comma true. Okay. Oh, and just like this, it should be surrounded try class block, right? Try catch e and e dot print stack trace. Okay, then I will say here f dot append string or sequence of characters, right? We have taken a string and we can write the string here. Okay, and if I say it, if I run it, see if I just simply run this one, what happens? I am a student and I need to refresh it first. So it is not happening append data. So to see dot append data. See it happens or not. So this one file well as and it is not happening here. So it should be done in the other way. So see how it will be done. Creating a file here and then we stored some little bit some path to see what happens. It's not happening. Just right using the right function. Will it be happening? Yeah, not. It is not happening. Even it is not getting created. Right. Let's see. Yeah, fine. Yeah, file got created. Hmm. The first thing we need to do is we need to read the file, right? Then we need to add the file, right? Let's just see what happens. String data. Hmm. If you see it, we have taken the wrong thing here. We have done the wrong thing somewhere here. Uh, just characters array. Let's take a characters array and I say char of length with 100 and I say this one. And here I just mention here file path. What I'll do is I'll write some text here. My file. I'll write my file first. Just saying. txt and just grab those things, and for reading the file we can just say f dot append. I think maybe no, f dot write, no, right. What are all the things we have? Null, wait, write, skip, read, and we check read here data, and we give the data. Okay, and then we'll output the data, right? And then we say data, we'll get that data. Yeah, if I say file writer uh, g is equals to new file writer, new file writer inside new text, right? New file dot txt, and I say what can I pass here means I say g dot uh, append character strings, append I can append character here or character string, or what is it? Is a char it is equals to new char of say l k and g. Just take these things and write that array here, right? Right to character sequence, right? Character sequence equals to new character sequence. Yum from CSCDB depth. Okay, just see what happens here. Let's just read it. Okay. Character sequence. Hmm. And what it would be? Character sequence is equals to just say H. It is not taking. It is taking an array. It is taking a string here. Hmm. I. Will it append or will it write? Uh, right. So here I can use some string right directly. If I want to write right. Yes. Say, oh, haven't created it. New file, a new file editor dot new file dot txt. If I say here, there's nothing. There is nothing. There is nothing to write. String and data. The string right. Yeah. Same thing. Oh, and we haven't closed this one. G dot close and f dot close. Just written the characters, 100 characters. That's it. File is written. Yes, it was written, and we can use. I don't think we can use append. We can change hi to how are you, and we can simply append it. Yeah, like this. See this one? We can simply directly, yeah, append this one, guys. We can simply append using write function. There is no such function called append. It takes only character sequences. Okay, it takes only character sequences. It doesn't take any strings to append. Okay, we can directly write here. Okay, yes, guys. Yeah, I'll be ending the day. Yeah. So this is for today. I'll be ending the session for. Okay, we'll be discussing tomorrow more things. Okay.